Hi everyone, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well. This is Sina and welcome to my channel, Technical Intercepts. Today in this video, I'll be talking about feedback amplifiers in analog electronics. Feedback plays an important role in almost all electronic circuits, most importantly in amplifiers and oscillators. Amplifier is an electronic device which increases or enhances the strength of the signal given to it at its input. As you can see here, when a waveform is applied to the amplifier circuit, its strength has been increased. Feedback in electronics is the process of injecting or feeding back some part of the output signal back to its input. Depending upon whether that feedback signal is aiding or opposing the input signal, we have two types, positive and negative amplifier. In positive feedback amplifier, the feedback signal is in phase with the input original signal, that is, crest is on crest and trough is on trough with the input original signal. Negative feedback amplifier, the feedback signal opposes the input original signal, that is, crest is on trough and trough is on crest of the feedback signal with the input original waveform. In negative feedback amplifier, the amplifier introduces a phase shift of 180 degrees and the feedback lane is so designed that it doesn't produce a phase shift, that is 0 degrees. The total phase shift of negative feedback amplifier is 180 degrees. That is why the reason the output is out of phase with the input signal. In positive feedback amplifier, both the amplifier and the feedback lane will produce a phase shift of 180 degrees each. So the total phase shift of positive feedback amplifier becomes 360 degrees or 0 degrees. That is why the output is always in phase with the input signal. This is the phenomenon of oscillators. These are some advantages of negative feedback amplifier, and some of them are reduced noise, stabilized gain, less amplitude frequency and phase distortions, controlled transient response, and desired input and output impedances, higher fidelity, linear operation, etc. Negative feedback amplifier are divided into two, voltage and current, depending upon the type of waveform we are feeding back to the input of amplifier. Since the feedback lane doesn't provide any phase shift, the feedback signal is proportional to the output voltage, and a negative voltage feedback amplifier is again subdivided into voltage series and voltage shunt. In the voltage series feedback circuit, a fraction of the output voltage is applied in series with the input voltage through the feedback circuit. This is also known as shunt-driven series-fed feedback, that is, a parallel series circuit, because the feedback circuit is placed in shunt with the output but in series with the input. In the voltage shunt feedback circuit, a fraction of the output voltage is applied in parallel with the input voltage through the feedback network. This is also known as shunt-driven shunt-fed feedback or a parallel prototype, because the feedback circuit is placed in shunt with the output and also with the input. Negative feedback current amplifiers are again subdivided into current series and current shunt. In this, the output current is proportional to the feedback voltage signal. In the current series feedback circuit, a fraction of the output current is applied in series with the input voltage through the feedback circuit. This is known as series-driven, series-fed feedback, that is, a series prototype, because the feedback circuit is placed in series with the output and also with the input. In the current shunt feedback circuit, a fraction of the output current is applied in series with the input voltage through the feedback circuit. This is known as series-driven shunt-fed feedback, that is a series parallel prototype, because The feedback circuit is placed in series with the output but in parallel with the input. This was the brief introduction of feedback amplifiers in analog electronics. Those are negative, positive, voltage series, voltage shunt, current series, and current shunt. In the next upcoming videos, I'll talk more about other topics of analog electronics. Till then, keep watching my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.